Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Outlook automatic reply. All right, so let's begin with the video. To enable auto reply in Outlook using a custom message, you can set it up through rules and templates. Start by opening Outlook and creating a new email. This will be the message that gets sent automatically as your reply. Write the content you want, such as an out-of-office message or a quick response, and once you're done, go to File at the top and select Save As. In this window, choose Outlook template as the file type, give it a name, and save it to a location you can easily find, like your desktop. After saving the template, you don't need to keep the email open, so you can close it without saving further changes. Now, to activate the auto reply, go to File menu again. This time, navigate to Manage Rules and Alerts. On this window, click on New Rule. Then choose Apply Rule on Messages I Receive and click Next. In the Actions list, check Reply using a specific template. Then click on the highlighted link to select your template. Here, from the dropdown, choose User Templates in File System. Then click on Browse and locate the position where you saved your template earlier. Then just select it and click on Open. Then continue by clicking Next. On the next page, you can optionally set exceptions, for example, exclude certain senders. If you don't need any, just proceed. Finally, make sure Turn on this rule is checked, give it a name if you want, and click Finish. Your auto reply is now active and will automatically respond to incoming emails using your saved template. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up Outlook automatic reply. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.